Yes, I'm Sam Short. I'm a director here at Short Marine. We're a boat dealership. We run a service department here as well, but specifically for the boat dealership and the boat brand that we took on 18 months ago, Grady White. It's an incredible product, but our biggest challenge was to get the word out there and let the market know that not only are we a dealer, but let them know about the brand. So yeah, we first reached out to Missing Link to help us with our advertising. We tried other agencies, one other agency in the past, and tried doing it ourselves, but we just found initially we had a spike of results, and then for months and months on end there just was no improvement. So knew something had to be done, so I did a bit of research, and I found Perry, and my first contacts with him, he was extremely efficient and on the front foot about things, and spoke about how he could help us. So yeah, that's how it all started. And initially they were just we were really building in the first month, 2 months, just to really build the brand awareness, and we started to get more engagement and more page likes and stuff than we ever had over the period of 6 months from using this other agency. So we were super happy with the results, and then we have fortnightly catch-ups, and we sort of then said, hang on, well, what's the next level that we can take this to? And we started talking about lead generation, and from there we haven't looked back. We've got a number of ads running at the moment, and we're getting multiple, I'd say anywhere between 5 and 10 leads a week that are qualified, and on a product like ours that are they're high value product. So one lead or one sale a month could be enormous to us. So when we're getting anywhere between 5 to 10 of a lot of the time now pre-qualified leads, especially for the amount of dollars that we're spending, it's been sensational.